We're making this video for everyone who wants to run a successful business in 2025, and we're going to be very quick about it. There are a few things that you need to do and a few things that you shouldn't do in order to run a successful business. The first thing that you need to do is you need to focus on the number one priority of your business. Now, that simply means that if you're in the business of plumbing, that means that you want your clients to enjoy safe and reliable plumbing in their homes. That is what you're going to focus on. If the number one concern of your business is offering legal advice or selling gummy bears, for example, whatever it is that your business's primary goal is, that is what is going to be most important for you. Everything else is secondary. The first thing that you should not do is that you don't need to get all fancy with your business and your processes. You do not need a website. All right. So my business sells website. It is not a website that's going to make your business successful initially. You don't need marketing. You don't need a better sales guy. The only thing that you need to do is you need to get out and get started. After you get out and you get started, then you can worry about getting a sales guy. Then you can worry about getting the website. Then you can worry about getting someone to do marketing for you. But you do not need those to become successful in the onset. You just need to get started on the primary thing that your business is focused on. The second thing that you should do to become successful is that you need to be consistent, meaning that whatever it is that you do, you need to do it well, and you need to do it well very often. Most of your experiences need to be hits, not misses. And what does that mean? It means that if you are in the business of plumbing, yet again, and you get 10 clients for the year, you need to ensure that at least 9 out of those 10 clients are extremely happy and extremely satisfied with your service, which is going to lead us into the second thing that you should not do. The second thing that you should not do is you should not take your clients for granted. Do not take your customers for granted. Everyone, even if you're selling something for 99 cents, everyone who hands over their hard-earned money to you is someone that you need to love, appreciate, and respect, even if they are not the personality that you get along with. Why is that? Because they've given you an opportunity to do what you do best, to do what you love, and that is invaluable. Share that feeling with them. Let them know that you appreciate them doing business with you. And from that point forward, let them know that they are a valuable part of your business's history and you don't take them for granted. A lot of times, that will go a far way in deciding whether your business fails or it succeeds. If you think I'm wrong, think about Sam Walton, and how he started Walmart. Walmart was started to take care of its employees, who will in turn take care of its customers. And Sam Waltman was very big on that. Today, Walmart has strayed from that, and they're not everyone's favorite store anymore. The third thing that you need to do is you need to focus on improving not only yourself, but your business. So this is a two-part thing that you need to do. Focus on improving yourself means that you get better at your craft. And if you're very good at your craft and you have a shitty personality, you're gonna fix that shit. Don't keep being a bully. Don't keep being a jerk. For crying out loud, don't be an asshole, not to your clients, not to your employees, no one. Be the kind of person that people like being around. It goes a very far. If you need help with this, go ahead and read How to Win Friends and Influence People. Remember, this ties into the second thing that you should not do in taking your clients for granted. Do not take your team for granted. Do not be a jerk. Do not be an unwelcoming presence around people. The other thing that you need to do is you need to get good at what you do, meaning that you need to focus on the product or service that you're offering and ensure that you're one of the best options in the market, if not the best. The best option doesn't always get the sale, but many times they do. And if you are getting clients and you're getting customers and you're not delivering a quality service to them and you have a shitty personality, you're not going to be in business very long. But if you have a great personality, but your service is not the best, you will find that clients stick around simply because they know you, definitely love you, they trust you, and they would love to be a part of your business's culture. But that doesn't mean, like we said, that you take them for granted and you don't improve. The third thing that you should not do in business is shirk on your finances. This is not something that gets discussed enough, but you're in business not because you're starting a nonprofit or a charity, but because you need to make a living. It takes cash to care. And as much as you like me, I can't take how much you like me into the supermarket and feed my family, meaning that I need to make some money so I can keep the lights on and I can pay my bills and I can take care of my family and I can go to the doctor when I'm sick. That simply means that you need to make finance the number one priority in your business. Don't shirk on it. Don't wait until tax season to figure out what the hell is going on in your business. It's a very simple thing that you can do. Grab a spreadsheet, Microsoft Excel, Google Cloud, Excel. In one column, you're going to put the date. In the next column, you're going to put the account summary. In the third column, you're going to put the price. And in the fourth column, you're going to put what's remaining. And everything that you do in your business financially is going to be recorded here. January 1, bought camera, $350. I have $2,000 left. January 2, bought subscription for Canva so I can start making thumbnails for my video. And that's $10. And now I have $2,490 left, or whatever the case might be. Number that and keep an eye. Every single day, keep an eye on how much you have left in the piggy bank so nothing surprises you. You do not want to run out of cash, which is going to bring us to the fourth thing that you'd absolutely, positively must do. Hey, if you're enjoying this video so far and you find it helpful, I think you'll enjoy what we have in store for you. If you're ready to take things to the next level and get some personalized guidance, why not book a paid consultation with our team? We'll work directly with you to help you solve your specific business challenges and help you fast track your growth. It's like having a personal roadmap tailored for you. Now I get it. Maybe you're not ready for a consultation just yet. No worries, you can still benefit from our expertise by joining our email list. We'll send you free lessons packed with powerful strategies to help you grow your business. These lessons will give you actionable tips and insights straight to your inbox so you can keep learning at your own pace. So whether you're looking for personalized help or just free valuable content, there's something for everyone. Hit the link below to book a consultation with our team and to join our email list. Thank you. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on marketing your business. If you have an awesome service, if you have an awesome product, you are an awesome person to be around, you will get a lot of referrals. You might need more clients, you might need more sales, you might be getting in the business so you're not very well known. You need to be known. The more people know about you, the better you are. You want to have clients and can serve them. You want to have customers and be out of stock. You don't want to have stocks and no customers. You don't want to have the ability to serve and not being asked to serve. So focus on marketing. If you want to figure out marketing and the business systems and strategies and everything like that, hit subscribe on our YouTube channel. That is what we cover here. Follow us on Instagram and on other social media. The content is free. We give you free templates and free resources. You can pretty much say, you know what, we have that covered because Jabez at Zelhan has it done for us, which is going to bring us to the fourth thing that you absolutely positively should not do. Do not, for the life of you, do not quit. Please, don't quit. Do not quit. No, just forget it. Don't quit. You're in this for the long haul. You're not in this to be to start a business in 2025. You're in this to become a business owner. You're not in this to start trading for 2025. You're in this to become a stock trader, or a forex trader, or a crypto trader, whatever it is that you're doing. You're not in this so you can get married. You're in this so you can be a husband and a father. Do not focus on the goal. Focus on the journey. The journey is not going to take this year. It is going to take a long time, but you are here for the long haul. Meaning that whenever things get too high, things get too tough, things are too challenging, you are perfectly fine because you expected it. You weren't expecting things to be amazing right off the bat, and it's not the goal that you're focused on, but who you need to become in order to achieve that goal. Because after you've achieved your goal, there is another level to that, and there's another level, and there's another level, and there's always another place that you can go. Which is going to bring us to the fifth and final thing for this video that you should do for your business to be successful in 2025 and beyond. You need to get good at becoming a leader. And the reason why you need to get better at leadership, I could say marketing, I could say sales, I could say finance. The reason why I chose leadership is because as the business owner, as the entrepreneur, it is your job, it is your priority, it is your task really to find people who are better than you at law, at marketing, at finance, at product development, at producing the product or service that it is that your business does. You need to have people better than you doing these roles, even if currently you're the best, meaning that you need to get better at leadership so you can, one, find talents that are either better than you or have the potential to surpass you, and two, put them in a place, in a position, mentally, not only physically, but mentally and financially and emotionally, that they can become their best versions of themselves and be successful working for you and with you. And the reason why this works is because if you look at Microsoft, they're a multi-trillion-dollar company, and they've made more millionaires than every other company in the world. Like, I didn't even know Microsoft was a trillion-dollar company until a few months ago. I was like, hold on, what is Microsoft's market cap? They're not really in the news most times. They don't seem like the biggest company. You hear about Google and Meta and all of them, but you don't hear about Microsoft very often. But they're there because they have excellent leadership. The fifth thing that you should not do is you should not think that it's going to come easy. It's not going to be easy. Even if it's simple. Simple meaning that it's very easy to understand what needs to be done. So I just need to get clients, offer them best product or service if it's a customer, and make more money than I'm spending. It's very simple to be successful in business. It's not easy, meaning that you're going to have hiccups, you're going to have tough days, you are going to have moments when you feel like giving up. You have had many moments like that, and you will continue to have those moments, no matter how big or how successful you get. So it is not going to be an easy journey. It is not about now. It is a long haul. But you know what? When you understand that, when the moments come that take you down, that make you feel defeated, that make you feel like you want to give up, you are going to have something in the tank that is going to help you move forward. So thank you guys for watching. Like I said, if you are into entrepreneurship, if you're into business, you own a business, definitely hit subscribe. And there's a video right here that I'd like for you guys to check out that will help you to grow your business in 2025 and beyond. Let's go. Thank you guys.